It's time to up-pot my tomato plants, and I want to show you how I get the most out of my containers. First thing you want to do is trim off the lower leaves and then bury the plants as deep as you can into the pot. This will help roots to sprout all along the stem and make for a sturdier plant. It's a common misconception that the hairs on the stems of tomatoes turn into roots, but that's not true. These are called trichomes, and they actually are used to repel bugs. Anytime you see little bumps on the stems of tomato plants, that's actually where the roots sprout. And you can sprout roots at any point along the stem. Just make sure you remove the leaves before you plant them. Now I have 2 Roma tomato plants in this big pot, but I'm not done yet. I'm going to plant quite a bit more in here, and it really works. After watering everything down really well, the first thing I'm going to add is a soil block with a sprout of basil. Basil will repel hornworms and other pests that are detrimental to your tomato plants. I planted that right in between the 2 plants and then out on the porch with a couple of stakes. And now I'm poking holes around the perimeter every few inches, making sure it's at least in 1 inch from the edge of the pot. And time for radish seeds. This worked so well last year because it's going to be months before I get tomatoes, but I'll be able to get radishes next month. Water it in well, and I'll show you the pot I did last week with peppers and the radishes all around the perimeter. Happy growing!